Hey guys, it's Greg with the Cash Room bringing another quick video. In today's video, we're just going to go over something that I love to do, something that I love to build. I love building computers. I love building mining rigs. So I'll take you guys right into it. I'll show you guys my next mining rig and what I have planned on going on and how much I plan to invest in it. So as you see right here, guys, we'll go over. It's the holiday season, so my girlfriend took me out to the computer store. She bought me we'll go over it. It's a TUF Gaming H470 Pro Wi-Fi edition motherboard, and she got me the i3 10th gen CPU, sorry, and she also picked me up a riser cord. She also picked me up a cord for 2 power supplies and some thermal paste. So that was really nice of her. That was roughly like $350, $400 Canadian. Another thing that I picked up this week is a GTX MSI 1080 8 gig card, which is right there. I paid roughly $400 Canadian for that card. If you go on to NiceHash right now and you check how much it will mine per day, it's roughly mining $1.90 per day. So here's a few more things that I picked up along the way, guys. And you'll see it's an EVGA 1000 watt power supply right here. So there you go. So brand new, still in the box. Another thing I picked up was I bought these myself. I picked up 16 gig of RGB RAM. I picked up a 240 gig SSD by Kingston. And there's the box to the GeForce GTX 1080. I got it used for 400 Canadian. So I can't go wrong about that. The reason why I'm building another mining rig, obviously, is because Bitcoin's really high. And I think that it's a good investment overall. I'm going to probably in the next few months, I'll probably build a full rig, or if not two. And then I'll probably get a nice gaming desktop and then turn around and just sit with that and let it build up with my earnings, stuff like that. So I still need to pick up a few more pieces, obviously, as you can see. I still need to pick up another pack of risers. I still need a power switch, stuff like that. So those are like little things, and like a wired mouse. That's pretty much everything I need. I have the 44 or 45 inch, 44 inch, sorry, Samsung TV on the wall that I could use as a monitor. I also have a gaming monitor that I'm going to use with this as well. And like I said, within the next 2 months, you'll probably see me with a new gaming computer and a couple mining rigs. So I'm pretty excited about that. There's a lot to look forward to. I plan on using NiceHash to pretty much mine, or use Cryptex, another website or software I currently use. And it's very straightforward and easy. Eventually, I plan on putting 6 of these cards inside of one mining rig. It should pull roughly around, I think, like 1200 watts at the wall, or maybe a little more just because of the motherboard and the CPU and everything. So I will need another pack of risers, but I am going to have to pick up 5 more of these cards after a while, which I'm super excited about. And as you can see, I'm going to pick up 5 more. I love these 1080 8 gig cards. I'm specifically looking for the MSI ones. I really like them a lot. And then probably in my next few rigs that I build, you'll probably see that I'll do one AMD and one in GTX NVIDIA. I'll probably do one that's a 57 XT build with 6 cards, and I'll probably do another one that's a GTX 1080 Ti with 6 cards in it, and just go from there and see how much revenue we can pull in and stuff like that. And hopefully Bitcoin will stay up there and keep pumping with what it is, and we can make some extra passive income. In Calgary, Alberta, I only pay 6.5 cents per kilowatt hour. So that's not bad at all. You can that's like a third better profit than what basically if I were to be mining in the States anywhere. So that's a third more profit, like I said. And then when you also convert the USD over to Canadian, it's normally like for every US dollar, we get like $1.30 Canadian. So that's another big bonus of mining for me. That's a reason why I do it, is because it's very profitable in Canada, especially with Bitcoin being at roughly the price that it's at right now. But even when it's 12, 13, 14,000 in Canadian dollars, I mean, you're still making pretty good money on that. And like I said, a 6 card rig right now with 6 of these in it, you'd be pulling 1140 a day. I'm pretty sure it's 1140. So you're talking some decent chunk of change. You're talking like $350 a month for that one rig alone. So I'm pretty excited about that. You'll see some videos coming out in the near future. I do plan on starting to build this like within the next probably week or two. I plan on putting it all together and start mining a bit. It's just that, like I said, I have a lot going on with Christmas, and I have a lot of final projects in school that I have to complete. But besides that, I'm going to turn around and take the time to assemble this before Christmas. So obviously, like I said, I have it running on Christmas Day, and then it's up in the farm. And I'm pretty excited. Like I said, I'll have a pretty decent gaming computer for a little while, but then I am going to purchase another gaming computer for sure down the road. Like I'm going to purchase a fairly decent one, like for 1,500 Canadian or somewhere around there. So I hope you're all having a great day. I'm not going to make this video too long. Oh, one more thing. The reason why I chose 16 gig of RAM when I'm mining is because I've been told, and it makes quite a bit of sense, that if you're only using 4 gig of RAM, it will bottleneck the computer and you won't be able to get as much information through as fast as possible. And that makes a bit of sense to me. So I went with 16 gig. That's what somebody recommended that I do. So I'm going to see, I have seen the results in the past before. There is a big difference between using 4 gig of RAM and 16 gig of RAM. It can go quite a bit faster. So I'm really excited to see that and document all my results and show you guys exactly what I'm going to do along the journey, and then show you guys exactly how I'm going to set up my mining farm and make some extra passive income from that. So with that being said, guys, I hope everybody's having a great day. I hope everything's going good for everyone, and happy farming and happy mining, guys.